Hey there, frustrated with a black screen on your Onn Roku TV? Wondering how to fix my Onn Roku TV with a black screen? Don't worry, you've come to the right place. In this guide, we'll take you through step-by-step solutions to bring your TV back to life. Let's dive in and get your screen glowing again in no time. Step 1. Power cycle your TV. The first and simplest step is a power cycle, which can often resolve black screen issues. Unplug your TV. Disconnect the TV from the power outlet and wait for about a minute. Press the power button. While the TV is unplugged, press and hold the power button on the TV itself for 30 seconds. This helps discharge any residual power. Plug it back in. Reconnect the TV to the power source and turn it on using the remote or the TV's power button. If your Onn Roku TV shows signs of life, congratulations. If not, don't fret. Let's move forward to the next step. Step 2. Check your cable connection. Sometimes a loose or faulty cable can cause the black screen issue. Inspect HDMI connection. Ensure all HDMI cables are securely connected to both the TV and any connected devices, like a cable box or streaming device. Swap HDMI ports. Try plugging the HDMI cable into a different port on your TV to rule out a port issue. Try new cable. If possible, replace old HDMI cables with new ones to eliminate cable-related problems. After checking and adjusting your cable setup, turn on the TV again to see if the screen problem persists. Step 3. Perform a hard reset. If your TV is still not cooperating, a hard reset might be necessary. Press the reset. Locate the small reset button on the TV, usually found at the back or side. Use a paperclip to gently press and hold the button for about 10 seconds. Wait for the TV to restart. Your TV should restart automatically, resetting to factory settings. Set up your TV again as you would when it was new. Note: performing a hard reset will erase all customized settings and preferences, so be prepared to reconfigure. Step 4. Update TV firmware. Outdated firmware can sometimes lead to display issues. Here's how to keep your TV updated. Check for updates. Go to Settings, System, System Update on your TV menu. Select Check Now. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm and install any available updates. Updating the firmware can resolve underlying software glitches affecting your TV's display. Step 5. Seek professional help. If none of these solutions work, it might be time to seek professional assistance. Contact Onn Support. Reach out to Onn's customer service for guidance tailored to your specific model. Warranty and repairs. Check if your TV is still under warranty for potential repair or replacement options. Dealing with a black screen on your Onn Roku TV can be frustrating, but hopefully these steps help you learn how to fix my Onn Roku TV with a black screen. Remember, the key is to approach each step systematically and don't hesitate to call in expert help if needed. With patience and this guide, you're on your way to enjoying your entertainment experience once again. Happy watching.